Good morning, everybody. I hope you are all doing well. First of all, I'm going to apologize for the shaky camera work. This is the first time I'm doing something like this, and I have to do it on my iPhone because when I'm recording from the Blackboard, I need to be using my iPhone to do it. So, as you can see, I'm a little bit nervous. I'm blinking a lot, but please bear with me. This is the first time I'm doing this. This is the first time you're doing this, and hopefully things will get better as we go along. I hope you're all doing well. I hope you are all prepared to adjust to our new reality, at least for the rest of the year. Your parents have a schedule of how things are going to work for me this week, and hopefully everything goes smoothly, but really only time will tell. I will post this video on the YouTube channel. I guess if you're watching it, it's already there. If there are other parts, just check and make sure you follow them in order, because I may try to break the video up into smaller chunks to make it easier to get onto YouTube. This lesson is for both grade 5 and 6 students. We're going to be talking about perimeter and area today. Some of you may have seen these stencils before, because I did send them out. Some of you may not. Either way, it's fine. I figured the best thing to do today was to start with something a little bit easier, something that we may have covered, some of you may have gone over already. Grade 6 students, we definitely did this last year. Grade 5 students, it may be a little bit new, but it's pretty easy, and I feel like you've done some of it. So, like I said, today we are going to be talking about perimeter and area. I will be doing some things on the Blackboard, and hopefully they will come out clearly. Again, this is the first time we're doing it. If it doesn't go so well, I will try again for the next video. Otherwise, this is the way it's going to be. This is some of the ways we're going to work it out. We will be doing things on Teams as well. I will set up the meetings for the groups after I'm done recording the video, so we should be all ready to go. Good luck to me, good luck to you, and away we go. So today we're going to be talking about perimeter and area of squares, rectangles, and triangles. This is a lesson that's based on measurement. Everything that we'll be doing needs a unit, and I will show you them after. Units are what we are measuring in. Examples of units are centimeters, millimeters, meters, hectometers, and that's what we will be using. When we are using area, we will be calculating in squared units. So meter squared, centimeter squared, millimeter squared. And if you remember from exponents, when we say squared, all you need to do is write a little 2 above the unit. But I'll show you all that on the Blackboard after. So what is perimeter and area? Perimeter and area are basically measurements of space. Perimeter is the space around a shape. So pretend you had a square. You wanted to build a fence around your square. You need to measure the perimeter of your square to know how much fence you're going to need. And that's perimeter. Based on that, you should hopefully be thinking, oh, well, I think I know how to do it. Well, we'll see in a few minutes if you actually do. Area. Area is the amount of space inside of that square. So you use perimeter to build a fence around your square. Now you want to fill your square with grass. So you need to know how much space inside the square you have in order to get the right amount of grass. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. We're going to be talking about how to calculate the area inside the shape and the perimeter outside the shape. And we'll be dealing with squares, rectangles, and triangles. The squares are pretty simple. The triangles, perimeter, very easy. Area, tiny bit trickier. But don't worry, we're going to go through it together, and hopefully you guys will understand. And if not, don't forget, we have Teams meetings set up where you guys can come on and ask questions, and I also have office hours at the end of the day. All right. I am going to stop this video, make this one part 1. So please continue on to part 2 when you are done watching this video.